what is the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year? Today I will ask the next format or next questions. Just try to give answer. Question is, that is 9 maths. What is the probability? What is the probability to get 53 Sunday in an ordinary year, in an ordinary year? Okay, ordinary means which are not leap year. Ordinary means which are not leap year. So again I am repeating the question. What is the probability to get 53 Sundays in an ordinary year? Okay. What? Sangam, what is this? Sangam, what is this? So just I am discussing that question again. So 365 days means that 52 into 7, 364 plus 1, and from 52 weeks, 52 Sundays you will get. Okay, and that one day extra, it depends on that extra one day. If it is Sunday, then obviously you will get 53 Sundays, and that one day may be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Total 7 days it is possible, and out of 7 only one day is Sunday. So favorable case only one, possible case 7. So 1 by 7 is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? Okay. Any doubt? Just repeat on that one day. Our business on that one day. That 50, it will be 53 or not. It only depends on that one day, on that extra day. If it is Sunday, then obviously it is 53 Sundays. It is not Sunday. It may be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then it cannot be have 53 Sundays. That's why, so favorable case is Sunday and possible case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1 by 7 is the correct answer. Okay, got it everyone? Students, next one study based question, because on this question I want to discuss here, because so many minimum. Okay, so read the listen the data it is given. A recent survey, everyone, a recent survey by a labor organization of state government of Odisha found that the number of workers in a factory for different groups. A recent survey by a labor organization of the state government of Odisha found that number of workers in factory for different age group. That information, okay, that it is given here. Okay, so this is given, that ages, that is 20 to 29 years, 30 to 39 years, and this, and between 20 to 29 years 38 numbers of workers are working there. 30 to 39 years 27 workers, 40 to 49 86, 50 to 49, 50 to 59, that is 46, and 60 above, that is 5. 60 above, that is 5. Okay, so now tell me, okay, it is clear everyone? The data is clear to everyone? Now question number 1. From that, if a person randomly selected, find the probability that person is 40 years or above. The person is 40 years or above. Okay, if a person selected, then what is the probability that person is 40 years or above? Anyone else? Anyone else? That probability, Raima, probability is 137. Okay, first right answer have given by Suhit Chatterjee. Very good. Well done, Suhit. Okay. So, Riddhita, you are wrong. You are wrong. So, the question is 40 years or above. 40 years or above means that group. So, just add it. 86, 46 and 5. 86, 46 and 5. So, you will get 137. That is your favorable case, and possible case 200. So, sorry, 202. 202 is the, got it? Now it is correct. First, no. 137 by 202, not 200. Okay, so who have the right answer? That is Suhit, Ornesa and Prottoy. Very good. Well done. Well done. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Under 40 years. Under 40 years. Very good. So under 40 years means less than 40, so total 202, and under 40 years means these two groups are under 40 years, so 38 and 27, that is 65. So 65 by 202 is the right answer. 65 by 202 is the right answer. Very good. Very good. Riddhita, Prottoy, Raima, Ornes and Vivek. Where is Vivek? Vivek, you are sleeping. And other students, total 18 students are there. Only I have got the answer. That 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining 14 students, I think they are sleeping. These are very much easy question. The less than 30, less than 40 means just add these two, because these two groups are below 40 years. Okay. Now, third question. Third question. Under under 60 but above 39. Under 60 but above 39. Tell me. Yes. Under 60 it means this, and below sorry, above 39 means you have to add these two. Okay. (66 by 101). Yes. So that is answer by that. Below 60 years means, below 60 years means that 86 and 46, 132 by 202. And the last question. And the last question, that is, have age 30 to 39. Age 30 to 39. Quickly, it is very much easy. 30 to 39. Just Vidita and Suhid have answered within fraction of second. Yes, that is 22 by 200. Sridhita, Suhid, Sohelika, Onnesa, Raima, Protoy, all of you are right. So between 30 to 39, that is 27. So favorable case 27 and possible cases, that is 202. Okay. So I hope this type of question you can attend in the exam. It is clear? Everyone, it is clear? Okay. So students, I hope that you have understood that question, as well as you have enjoying this class little bit. Yes, you have this question in your book. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay.